Building a profitable tax or financial business is so much more than the aesthetics. It starts with compliance and systems. The Revenue Digital Suite inside TRMCRM is that system, designed to automate, organize, and elevate your client experience from day one. For Lite Plan subscribers, the suite includes pre-built tax workflows that integrate with our partner tax software, providing real-time return status updates from accepted to rejected to funded. No more chasing IRS updates or clients breathing down your neck. Clients get their own branded portal to view invoices, estimates, contracts, and more, and you stay in control of the conversation every step of the way. Plus, you'll get access to email and SMS tools, lead capture funnels, and Tax Pro or bookkeeping landing pages built to convert. Step up to Pro and it gets even deeper. You'll unlock full education and software sales funnels designed to help you sell your own course, launch affiliate offers, or build a tax team on your terms. Inside the Revenue Digital Suite, every page, form, and automation has already been created for financial professionals. Software sales, course launches, team recruitment, you've got custom workflows and landing pages for all of it. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need to hire a copywriter. You just need to log in and launch it. Whether you're a coach, an ERO, course creator, or a service bureau, this is the same infrastructure used by brands across the country to generate leads, automate income, and build digital trust. Want to monetize your knowledge and create passive streams from your team? You've got funnels for that. Want to promote software or upsell tax education? You've got automations and a community for that. Want your next client to book while they're sleeping? There's already in motion. You don't need to build from scratch or duct tape 5011 platforms together. This isn't overpriced tech that drains your budget. This is affordable, automation-rich infrastructure that grows with you. The Revenue Digital Suite was built for financial entrepreneurs, and with TRM CRM, it's already done. All you have to do is launch.